Medyo sure, ba't baliktad yung manubela mo? Oh.
Parang defective from factory. Dapat nandyan to eh.
Kaya nga eh, wala dito eh.
I-test drive ko muna. Nagpaalam ako sa customer. Sabi ko, test drive ko muna yung car niya. Silipin ko ba't yung manubela nasa right side. Tapos tawagan ko siya. Nakailipat namin sa kabila.
Lipat mo dito, mas okay dito eh.
Pero sabi ng customer, mabilis. So for today's video mga kapatid, no, nandito tayo sa Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution ni Shane. Suking customer natin to. Kailangan daw niya na differential fluid, transmission fluid, and flush. I think Kurt said na yung shifting niya is medyo stiff. Used ano nga pala, no, total fluids tsaka red line. I remember this back then, in-orderan nila to ng A-lift suspension, no? So naka-air suspension siya. Ito yung kanyang controller. It rides really nice. 2004 yung car, and it still rides really good. Sarap siyang gamitin. Ano, meron din tayo nito kapatid. So back then pala, no, we had the Lancer Evolution 10, Evolution X, no? So balik na tayo sa shop. Test drive na natin siya. Temperatures are good. No noise, no nothing. Balik na natin. They're ready to pick it up. It's 7:40 and we're still working. We have a couple cars to finish. So yun, we're back in the shop. Let's finish some cars. Montage lang natin saglit yung kanyang air suspension in 3, 2, 1.